Good morning, student. In the previous class, we will discuss about shell, about tissue, and today we will discuss about the classifications of animal tissue. Classifications of animal tissue. Animal tissue is divided into the four forms. The forms of epithelial, connective, muscular, and neural. Here, epithelial, it is a flow chart of animal tissue to easily understand and easily help you to the terms of tissue. How many types of tissue present in animal? So there are four types of tissues present in animals, that are epithelial, connective, muscular, and neural. Here epithelial tissues divide into the two forms. The forms are simple and compound. Okay, the simple tissues divided into the four form, but in your book it is divided into the four form, but here I am written here five forms. Okay, here first is squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, ciliated epithelial tissue, and pseudosterophyte tissue. Okay, that are the simple epithelial tissue. Asking about compound epithelial tissue, it is divided into the two forms, stratified and transitional. And stratified is divided into the three forms, that is squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Keratinized and non-keratinized comes under the stratified epithelial tissue. That it is a compound epithelial tissue. Understand? Here asking about connective tissue. Connective tissue divided into the three forms mainly. The forms are connective tissue, it is proper tissue, it is also known as proper tissue, skeletal tissue, and vascular tissue. Okay, and the connective tissue divided into these forms. The forms are alveolar tissues, adipose tissues, white fibrous tissue, yellow elastic tissue, and reticular tissue. Okay, and skeletal tissue divided into the two forms. The forms are cartilage and bone. Cartilage divided into the three forms: hyaline cartilage, fibrous cartilage, and calcified cartilage. And here fibrous cartilage divided into the two forms, that is white fibrocartilage and elastic cartilage. Asking about vascular tissue, it is divided into the two parts, that is blood and lymph. Okay, and here bone is divided into the two forms. The form is compact bone and the spongy bone. It means under this animal tissue, first it is divided into the four forms. The forms are epithelial, connective, muscular, and neural. The epithelial tissue divided into the two forms, simple and compound. Simple tissues are four types in your book, but here I am written five types, that are squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, and pseudosteroid. Here compound stratified and transitional. Here squamous, cuboidal, columnar, keratinized, and non-keratinized. Here connective tissue divided into the three forms. First is connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and vascular tissue. Here connective tissue divided into these forms alveolar tissue, adipose tissue, white fibrous tissue, yellow elastic tissue, reticular tissue. And here is skeletal tissue divided into the two forms, cartilage and bone. Bone divided into the two forms, compact bone, spongy bone. Cartilage divided into the three forms, hyaline, fibrous, and calcified. Here fibrous divided into the two forms, white fibrocartilage and elastic cartilage. Asking about vascular, it is divided into two forms. The forms are blood and lymph. It is the overflow chart of connective tissue. Okay, now we will discuss about the nervous tissue, the flow chart of nervous tissue. Okay, here nervous tissue divided into the four forms: neurons, neurogelia cells, epididymal cells, and neuroscatory cells. Here, nervous cells divide into the cell body, okay, unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. Here, it is divided into the two forms, cell body and nerve fibers, and modulated, non-modulated. Okay, it means nervous tissue divided into the four forms. These forms are neurons, neurogelia cells, epiphendymal cells, neurosecretory cells. Cell bodies unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. Nerve fibers are modulated and non-modulated. Okay, it is the overflow of nervous tissue. Overflow chart of nervous tissue. Asking about epithelial. Epithelial, the flow chart of epithelial is divided to the two forms, the simple epithelial and compound epithelial. Simple epithelial is one cell thick, and here many cells are thick. Okay, so it is known as simple epithelial, it is known as compound epithelial. And simple epithelial divided into the five forms: squamous cells, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, and pseudostratified. Columnar, ciliated divided into the two forms. The forms are columnar and ciliated. Asking about compound epithelial, it means many cells thick. It is known as compound epithelial. It is divided into the two forms, stratified and transner. Squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and columnar ciliated. Squamous divided into the keratinized and non-keratinized. Types of epithelial tissue, classifications of epithelial tissue. Okay, that is also, it is also a flow chart of this classifications of epithelial tissue. Okay, now we will show the simple squamous tissue diagram. That is the simple squamous epithelial tissue diagram. It is look like this. Okay, it is just like look like this type of. Okay, just my it is a squamous epithelial, so a square type, just like a square. Okay, so it is like a squamous epithelial cell. Here it is a banded round, it is known as nucleus, and we know that the nucleus is separated in the boundary is known as cytoplasm, and it is the cytoplasm is banded together is helped by the help of cell boundary. That is the simple squamous epithelial tissue image. It means that the simple epithelial tissue, squamous epithelial tissue, look like a square types. It has nucleus, nuclear, cytoplasm, and cell boundary. The nucleus is it helps to the cell division, and cytoplasm prevent and protect the nucleus to contracted, and cell boundary is promote and prevent the cells and nucleus shells and membrane. That are the works of the these parts: nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell boundary.